Hello and a very good afternoon. Warm welcome to Bali. At this time, I'm at a nice location at Yeh Gangga beach area in Tabanan region, where it is only like 50 or 70 meters from the beach. I can still hear the sound of the wave. And right in the front of me, I'm facing to the east now, across the road, across the street. There is a plot available for sale. The size is 19R, 1,900 square meter, and it is semi-rectangular shape. And the frontage, it's only like 8 meters from here. The owner will give you 4 meters wide access to the plots, but it's only like 8 meters depth from the main road. It's right in the front of me. Right here, this is the plot. It's a dry garden land with a lot of bananas on it, and at the back it's bordered by rice field. So facing to the east, you can still have rice field view. So this is the surroundings. Pretty quiet, cozy. It's great for your villa, your house, or for your investment. So this is the front, and facing to the west, you can still have rice field, and I'm facing to the south now where the beach is. It's only like 70 meters from where I'm standing right now. So this is the plot, size 19R, 1,900 square meter, located at Yeh Gangga beach. Excellent. So I'm standing right in the middle of the plots. I'm facing to the west or to the frontage, turning to the north, to the east, where next to this plot there is a rice field, and turning to the north. Oh, I mean to the south. I can still hear the sound of the sea, of the wave. So this is the plot. I'm facing to the front now, from the back part, from the border of the land in the east part, and this is the border, and it's right next to the rice field, so you can still have the rice field view to the back or to the east.